all know how curly hair demands more attention in terms of maintenance because of its dry texture. So, instead of being dependent on salons, let's save some bucks by trying these affordable at-home treatments to achieve gorgeous, healthy curls. Using a dime-sized amount of conditioner doesn't really work for a curly head girl, which is why we end up spending way more on conditioners as compared to any other products. So I finally decided to create my own using the healthiest ingredient found in our kitchen: oats. The best part is, because it is chemical free, it can also be applied on the scalp. Blend 1 cup of oats with 3 cups of water. Strain together oat milk. Boil the oat milk and keep stirring until it forms a gooey consistency. Remove it from the heat and add a tablespoon of olive oil and a teaspoon of honey. Let it cool and your conditioner is ready. Use it after shampooing and then rinse for soft, smooth and hydrated hair. Here's an inexpensive way to create your own chemical-free gel at home using flax seeds. They are rich in vitamins, proteins and fatty acids that are not only great for the body but also help define and moisturize curly hair. Place 1/4 cup of flax seeds in a pot. Pour 2 cups of water and give it a nice stir. Bring it to a boil and keep stirring until the consistency becomes stringy. That's your cue to remove it from the heat. Strain the liquid into a clean container and add your favorite essential oil to it. Because of its slimy consistency, make sure to emulsify it well between your palms before application. Apply it on wet hair, preferably after your leave-in conditioner, for incredible hold and shine. The universal rule for healthy girls is to deep condition it once a week. So, whenever my curls start looking dull and lifeless and extremely dry, I whip out my favorite homemade deep conditioner made of tapioca pearls, or best known as sabudana. The starch of tapioca pearls helps rejuvenate dry hair and deeply moisturizes it from within. To make it, pour 1 cup of water in a pot, add half a cup of tapioca pearls and let it simmer. Keep stirring it occasionally until it becomes thick in consistency. Remove it from the heat and strain the starch. While it cools, blend 3 tablespoons aloe vera gel, 3 tablespoons of yogurt and 1 vitamin E capsule into a smooth paste and add in your starch. Mix well and apply it on your scalp and hair. Wash with a mild shampoo after 20 minutes. Use it weekly for healthy, shiny and manageable curls. If your hair feels limp and weak, chances are your hair is in need of a protein boost. Take 1 cup of hot water, add 2.5 teaspoons of unflavored gelatin powder and 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar. Stir well until completely dissolved. Apply the treatment on freshly washed hair and rinse after 15 minutes or until your hair feels dry and stiff. Follow it up with a moisturizing deep conditioner. Do this once a month for strong, bouncy and healthy hair. We hope these natural recipes give you the confidence to create your own hair products. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.